Hello, my name is Matthew, and today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis, or in other terms, the two stages of that called the light reactions in the Calvin cycle. So to start off, we're going to start off with light reactions, and these occur in the thylakoid of the chloroplast, and pretty much what's going on here is H2O is taken in, and as well as light, this is the reaction center of chlorophyll A. Light strikes this, and then an electron is sparked, and this is part of photosystem 2. Then it goes on to the plastoquinone, and then as you can see here, hydrogens are going from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration using energy. And then the electron passes through here into the plastocyanin in photosystem 1, and then it goes into the 4-doxin, and then finally into the FNR, which creates the NADPH from the NADP plus and the H plus. This process is called ferridonin NAD plus reductase. Finally, we get an area of high concentration to low concentration of hydrogens, and our ADP is converted into ATP and into ATP synthase from an ADP and phosphate. Then we have ATP and NADPH going into the Calvin cycle here, and in the Calvin cycle we talk about Rubisco taking in CO2, then creating it into the 3-phosphoglycinate. And next up, the ATP is converted into ADP, and you can see that we have 6 here and 6 here. The NADPH is converted into NADP plus another hydrogen atom, and you have 6 here as well. Just to let you know, this also occurs in the stroma of the chlorophyll or chloroplast. And then we have our phosphoglycinate turning into a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and you can see that there's 6 molecules as well, which you need 6 in order to create the molecule of glucose, but it only takes away 1, so then it goes back to 5, so now we need to get 6 to start the process of making glucose again, and ATP is then converted into ADP. Here you can see there's only 3. Then we have our GA3P turned back into ribulose biphosphate, which is then turned into Rubisco when the carbon is added. And that is pretty much the overview of the Calvin cycle and light reactions, which are the process of photosynthesis. Thank you, and that is all I got.